Looks like the track needs a bit of maintenance. Good morning, still in Harvey Bay, but as you see guys, we are packing up now and leaving this place, and we are going further north. We continue to Yeppoon, which is going to be our next stop. Okay, welcome to Yeppoon. Finally we arrived here. It is very hot. As you see guys, I'm totally burned there. Sunburn that is. And looks like the sunscreen didn't work very well in this tropical sun. But now, so all we have to do is put the tent together, and after that we can have a relax. Tomorrow, early in the morning, we are going to
You look like a tomato.
Great Keppel Island.
You're a tomato.
Huh?
You're a tomato.
I'm tomato, okay. Fair enough. Looks like the sunscreen is not very suitable. Maybe we need to get a new one, I don't know. So let's get on with our job. Put the tent together, helper. And after that we can have a relax and maybe some swimming. The time has come, so we are going to have a swim. Let's check out the swimming pool and the other amenities. We just had to wait to cool down a bit. It's just so hot today. It's unbelievable. Humidity level is 70%. Pair that with 30 degrees, 35 degrees heat, and then you're sweating. So as you see guys, this is a much bigger park. And, oh, by the way, it is what? Panorama Capricorn Caravan Park. That's where we are at the moment.
They have mini houses.
And there are like units, cabins, campsites, caravan parking, everything at all. It's just the only sad thing really what I don't like so far is
The heat.
yeah, the heat. Other than that, is just a toilet block is only one. So
And
for
it's
the
far.
big park like this, I think you should have
Four.
at
One
least
in each corner.
at least two. Wonderful good morning from Yeppoon guys. So now we are just about to leave to catch the boat a few kilometers away from ROSSLYN Bay, and we're heading over to Great Keppel Island. So see how this day is going to turn out, and yeah, it should be interesting. We are now at ROSSLYN Bay Marina, and this is where our ship will leave to Great Keppel Island.
Yay.
So it's going to be an interesting, exciting day, right?
No.
Come on. We got to climb the mountain there and go up to the lookout. It's an absolute amazing view. You will see guys. Anyway, so let's go and find breakfast, and then we are going to board the ship. As it turns out, we went to the wrong boat, so now we are racing to trying to get on the boat. It leaves about 7 minutes, so see if we can make this. It's not a very good start for the day. Absolute crazy. But anyway, get what you get, don't get upset. We made it. It's only just the beginning. That's a bit of a warm-up for the walking. It's okay.
You walked fast.
Now we get there. We have food first thing. Because we didn't even have breakfast yet.
How are we doing, folks?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Good, thank you. That's all
All good?
done.
All good?
Thanks, guys.
Yes.
Can I stab your egg?
No,
I want to stab your egg.
don't poke my egg.
I'm poking it. You better record me. I'm poking your egg.
No, you're poking my egg. Oh.
It's satisfying. It's fine. Okay.
So we got our map, and then we are ready for a little bit of walk, going into a walking track. Looks like the track needs a bit of maintenance. That's it. We made it, guys. That's the first lookout, and that was the shortest part of the walk. It's only like 1.2 kilometers. But we are already tired, so there's a lot more walking tracks on this island, but I don't think we are going any further. So have a look at this side of the island. After we cooling down with a couple of beers, and now we are going to have a look at the beach. Guys, this place is pretty much amazing. Water are clean, crystal clear water, gorgeous colors of the sea here. Alright, so our ship is here and we are going to finish this video here. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell as well. So, see you guys in the next one, somewhere from Australia.